What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I haven't posted in a while, but tonight's event is worth posting. I'm super excited. It's Pitbike Nationals 2024. Probably one of the most fun events or things that I go to throughout the year. Pretty excited. I'm gonna get out of the truck. I just got here. I'm gonna get out of the truck and we're gonna get some shots of Pitbike Nationals 2024 and put a little montage together. That's really all the video is gonna be. So stay tuned. Let's see what we get into.
Can he beat Sailor? Can he beat Sailor? Like no
Thanks for watching Pitbike Nationals 2024. I apologize for getting it out so late, but I've been working on, well, you guys can see. So I appreciate all the support I've gotten, even though that I have not been as consistent as I usually am. Just know that I've had a big, well, you guys can see. So I just hope you guys continue to stay here, support me, and trust me, I have some content planned, I have some videos planned, and again, I have a whole bunch of projects planned. And I have like one huge project that I've kind of dropped the ball on filming, but I think we can start here. I think I can get you guys caught up to speed, and Eric and I are very excited for this project. We've been kind of working on it for a little while now. I'm not sure if you guys know what I'm talking about, but I think you guys are going to really enjoy it. So we're probably going to start from here and move forward. I've just been super busy. I've taken on wedding filming this summer. It was kind of something that I didn't really see myself getting into as soon as I did. And then that kind of spiked up. I did 4 5, I don't know, I think four weddings. So I'm kind of got a little backlog there. Got some clients waiting on me for some work, so I need to get that accomplished. So YouTube unfortunately had to be put on the back burner. You guys probably understand. Well, I would hope you'd understand. And then in the midst of all that, I do work 2 jobs, and then I started. Wow, this is really, really big. Well, anyway, you guys are amazing. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys are new here, I appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm Biggs. I film just about anything and everything. My passions do lie in off-road and automotive, mostly trucks and UTVs, four-wheelers, side, whatever, you know, all that, as you guys can see. So if you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button. I would love for you guys to stick around. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll be honest, I don't know when the next one's coming, but hopefully sooner than this one has came since the last one. Wow, whatever. Anyway, see you guys then.